Hello everyone, in this video let us see how to add and manage zones through admin panel. To add zones you should visit delhimax.app/admin website and enter the valid credentials to log in into the site. Now you can see the admin dashboard. Here click on the city management and click zones. Here you can see all the lists of zones that have been created previously. To add zones, click on the Add Zone option. Here enter the zone name. Select the status. And you can also add delivery charge based on distance for each carrier type. Select the carriers to proceed. The delivery charge segment will now be visible. First, define the range of distances for which the charges will apply by entering the minimum and maximum kilometers. Next, you need to specify the delivery charge for this range. There are two options for calculating these charges. If you choose the rate option, the delivery charge will be a flat rate for distances from 0 to 5 kilometers. For example, if you set the flat rate to 10, any delivery within 0 to 5 kilometers will cost 10. Alternatively, if you select the each option, the charge is calculated per kilometer for every kilometer within the same initial range of 0 to 5 kilometers. So, if the per kilometer rate is set to 10, a delivery of 5 kilometers would cost 5 kilometers times 10, totaling 50. This flexibility allows you to choose a pricing model that best fits your delivery service. You can also add rows by using this Add Row option, and you can set multiple range and delivery prices. You can specify a different rate option for each row according to your needs. You can delete rows by using this Delete option. Select the truck and electric cycle carrier type to specify the delivery price separately. This setup enables you to add charges for each carrier according to your needs. In this Search and Map option, you can search the particular location that will automatically point out the location in map. And then using this Draw Shape icon, you can draw a boundary around the zone. You can also draw multiple boundaries within the same zone. We use this zone option while adding a company. We choose delivery zones, then the company will be visible only to the end user within this particular boundary. Similarly, when adding a driver, we set work zones, which is used to assign them to deliver only within those areas. This ensures efficient delivery within designated boundaries. And click Save button. Now the zone is added to the zone list. Here you can activate or inactivate the zone as per the requirement. The added delivery charges will be reflected while adding a company. When adding a company to the system, you have the option to configure delivery based on predefined zones. If you choose this option, you can select the relevant zones from a drop-down menu. While selecting this option, the geofence radius hide automatically, because you can select either one of them. And you can add multiple zones at the same time. Then save the details. After filling all the required details, you will move to the delivery charge segment. In the delivery charge segment of the company setup, you'll see the delivery charges associated with the zones you've selected with corresponding carrier type. These charges are based on the prices you specified when you initially created each zone. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust the distance range and the corresponding delivery charges to suit your needs. That is how the zone works. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.